Hello friends, welcome back to my channel for another Simple Paper Co. mystery kit. This is our January mystery and it is a really fun one. So let's go ahead and dive on in. If this happens to be your first video you're watching of mine, hi guys, my name's Cassie and I share planner related content here on my channel. I do share my mystery subscriptions separately, and then I have other haul videos and plan with me's and other things on here. So feel free to check out other videos if this isn't maybe your type of video. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the January mystery. So ooh, we got a little surprise in here. Let's see here. So this is our, let's see, it says season's greetings. We hope you enjoy this special stationery item as a token of our appreciation. Wishing you a joyful and creative new year. Lena K. I love Lena. I got to meet her at Galentine's and she is so sweet. And I definitely spend always way too much money at her booth at Galentine's because she's got so many good things. So I ended up subscribing because I had bought a bunch of things at Galentine's and fell in love. So I went ahead and subscribed. So, and I think it's been close to, well, I think I subscribed in May. So, and this is now January, right? Are we looking at January? Yeah. So it's been almost a year, and I have not regretted a single month. So, really great subscription. So here is that adorable little card that she gave us. Ooh, it's a sticker too. Yay. I was hoping it was. It's like on a clear backing. So I don't think it's washi paper, but it's like a premium matte on a clear backing, which is really cool. How pretty is that? Oh, sorry, too close. Okay, so there's that. And then she also threw in these gorgeous girls. Look at these girls, you guys. I love when she gives us girls. She always picks out like the best ones. They're so pretty. Oh, love. And then we also got these celebration balloon numbers. These are so fun. They're in like a rose gold kind of color. These are on washi. And then this is a terrible washi sheet, which I love. I don't think she's had a terrible washi sheet yet. I think this is new. This pattern is gorgeous, and this like really pretty, almost like cornflower blue. Really gorgeous. Like here you go. You can see it on here. So pretty. Okay, so here is our monthly card, like journaling card. These are so soft. I say that every time, but they really are. You got a little sneak at our gorgeous florals that are coming, and then it just says Simple Paper on the back. I do put these on my desk. I can't show you because my lights are in the way, but I have one that's just like on my calendar in front of me, my glass calendar that I never use. So I just put one of these up there just to show the month. Okay, here is our, actually, you know what? I could use the back of this. There we go. Here is our date dots. You've got this really pretty like periwinkle kind of blue and light pink. And I love that you get extra dots that don't have anything on them. This is our monthly page here. So you've got just January, some florals, and then you have this gorgeous month in like a wreath looking almost. I love that these flowers are like, some of them are more like a silhouette line art type of flower, and then the other ones are like regular. It's a really cool combination. I don't think I've seen that anywhere. Okay, here is our deco sheet. You got like these really pretty balloons. They're kind of like iridescent looking. I'm like moving them like there's foil. There's not, but it feels like you should, right? This cake, this is just such a pretty celebration kit. So you could use this for New Year's, or you could even save this, you know, if you didn't use it January, you could save this for like a birthday month or something too, because it's just very delicate and celebratory. This is like our torn papers. Sorry, I'm using this that has Simple Paper underneath it, so sorry if that's in the way. And then here is, sorry, that wasn't torn papers. This was, I guess there's like some different elements. Okay, so it looks like there's like torn papers. There's some like torn tape pieces and stuff, but then you also have floral bouquets. This one is the torn papers, and this one does have foil. So we have rose gold foil here, which I think is perfect with these blues and purples. So pretty. And then here's our stamps. Ooh, look at those gifts. Those are so pretty. Oh, it's just so delicate and feminine. Look at that blue door. Ooh, I love that. So pretty. So, so good. Okay. This is our next sheet. We've got some Polaroids, some larger florals. Oops, sorry, I'm losing it off the paper here. And that gift. I love the, like, she added the florals into like the wrapping paper. I think that's so cool. I love when shops do that, like kind of like Inception almost, you know, like where the florals are on the gifts. Like, look at how pretty that is. I feel like these colors are really good. Like if you have a spring or summer birthday too, or winter. I mean, I feel like you could use this for pretty much any birthday other than maybe fall. I wouldn't feel like this is very fall, but otherwise you could use this for any kind of your like birthday. or just use it for New Year's, which is probably what I'll end up doing. So pretty. Look at that mirror. And you've got some champagne and glasses. Just like little subtle nods to the pink in here. The kit's very like blue and purple, but then there's like tiny little bits of pink that I think are just add to that like girly touch to it. Look at the balloons. There they are. See how iridescent they look? This would be really pretty in like hollow foil too. I'm not a big hollow, like I don't use it a lot, but I feel like you could totally use hollow with this. If you like doing like mixed metals, you could bring hollow with a rose gold. That would be pretty. Those shoes. All right, and then here is our larger florals with a little bit of rose gold foiling on them. You've got like 3 big ones and then another kind of smaller little bouquet. These are our days of the week. You've got Monday through Sunday, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, it looks like. That's a lot. 5 weeks. Okay, here's our large florals. These florals look so realistic. Don't they look really like, I don't know, not 3D. I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, but they're really pretty. These are giving me like spring vibes with the hydrangeas. And then here is our large single florals. You got a couple little like spriggy branches. Really pretty. So that's everything, you guys, for the January mystery. Let me know your thoughts. If you got the subscription, or if you didn't, even tell me what you would use it as. Would you use this more as like a birthday or a New Year's? What kind of vibes are you getting? I'm assuming this is meant to be more like New Year's because of the fact that it's the January kit. But I do think that these colors really lend themselves to being, and like the decorations could definitely be more of like a birthday kit too. So I'm curious what your thoughts are. So drop me a comment, let me know. And I'm not on her PR team, so you can't use PR codes on these anyway, but if you are interested in saving money, if you're buying extras, she does put the kit extras up in her shop after all the subscriptions have released, so you could go and pick up extras. My friend Danny from Danny with a Planny does have a code. It's Danny10, so if you are looking to pick up extras and want to save, definitely make sure you use her code so that you can save a little bit of money on it. So that's going to be everything though, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging with me, and I look forward to seeing you next month with the February collection. Bye.